So how to airdrop from iPhone to Mac? For that you need to enable your airdrop on your MacBook first. Press shortcut command and space, and on search bar type airdrop, and this is the airdrop, and it looks turned on, and make sure your Bluetooth is also turned on. And now you need to go your iPhone and go to your image. Suppose I want to send this image to my MacBook. Press on this icon, and then see MD MacBook Pro is showing here. I already turned on airdrop on my MacBook, so press on it and it's sent. You see a pop-up on your MacBook also. And now check your file, and you can find your file desktop or download. This is my file. I am sending. This is it. Within a couple of seconds, within 1 second or 2 seconds, file will be transferred to iPhone to MacBook easily. Hope you enjoy. Please like and do subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment box section.